Nyota y'urukundo mbabarira ndanyotewe mvure nyota on TV yo midede so waze so olwalero nzizemu nate okulabika mu maaso gammwe bafani bange b'ekitaba Witness mpoza ateera omulabi eyakatweyungako for the first time amanzi number one suspect badman kabaka mulwaga ko kimuswaga ne sister ngalwaga mu ghetto nitwa number one suspect badman uchuranga yaganye kwaraga nchuranga lege ntawe chiki nteje ndo mukurambire muri raganza mbere ya natandika ng'abantu abalala and oboli yao in a very hard time in the same time that natandikira mu music. You can imagine, you know, starting music in a very hard situation pocket-wise ba nembera yenyini okubanga olukucheyo so nze ngamba whenever it would be something easier okutandika such a struggle ngoli waka omanyi nti era omugaati gwegubateguliyo osobola okuddewa okubira kyaliyo noga nti owaye kiri kityeyo nagamba ajja ntuliye wamu kuba wali yali esembera okuva mu kyalo, you know. So basically nze natandikira South Africa naina that love of sharing to be the voice because something is growing in me, and today that is why nchali wano maso gamwe, you know, my witnesses abazinango kuvira derime marida. So today kuba manche naita mutaki Dube sicha amani nyo kugamba nti nali nyimba mu back stage chana kunyonti yatuvako era recently we were mourning same tragedy, you know. But Titucha morning, I say we overcome the harsh of pain, you know, caused by that. Muganda for you to such a person I can call, you know, a preacher, a prophet, a prophet.
Sebo, sanyo kwasinkana wano. No, mutabani wa kwanze manager we Mr. Suspect number 1 nenganza amanya agange nze buswaswe wa muganda wasula ndi musajja mukozi ndi musajja kulakulanya music era ono mutabani wange kwa ndi manager we yala twakwatagana nganda alaba nze nso kulakulanya music era nensaba abantu bonna mubere wagizibe olwensonga yebi kuteneka wano ayimba laga number 1 ngate jajje okimba kweje kuvudde wala kuba abadde de lake Dube yatuvaako na ine twatuye number 1 agenda kumuchikira mu Afrika monna nekirala ono mwami muyimbi mulungi ayimbidde buli wamu era nge ne mukwatako tukoze bintu bingi naye n'amaduuka gatunde yuma tugalina era nga yomu kuba kuteka sente maduka gafakola ebyo akatunde ebima ya music era mtegeeza abantu bafe bonna mutuwagire
the studio bagita Ghetto Sound. Ghetto Sound is a name I mean it is for the ghetto people. Usually it's, I know whoever can afford anyway a studio, whatever, any session, but the ghetto youth cannot afford, but it does not limit any, and the same way we don't say that you cannot fail to reach to be here. So anyone can use it. This is just a service. It is not to carry in the business, but I am welcoming each and every human, and you know, in the world of art, in music, or if you see it as a service to you, you are most welcome. And mulimu buli kimu ekyetaagisanga bwe kyalina okubeera professionally, so that gives it more than paper money, and I cannot explain zali sente bagamba, but I know it was expensive. Same way eno studio ebadde expensive, very expensive. Kyova nti bwe mbadde ntandika mpuliddemu, you know, I almost mbadde nga breaking it down kubanga nzijukidde nti so now I'm talking about this atenga, you know, tufunye sleepless nights nga tukiriza